Hey guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Islam. You can call me Sama. Today, I will teach you guys about Mikrotik. Let's go to the what is Mikrotik. Mikrotik is an operating system used to turn a computer into a network router. With this software, you can manage your network without special equipment. By installing Mikrotik, your computer will get all the features router has, including firewall, hotspot gateway, and bandwidth management. Even so, the Mikrotik company then itself made a device called the Mikrotik router board. This router device has Mikrotik OS in it and is able to work to manage the network better. Mikrotik is commonly used to manage computer and internet network in office, internet cafes, and other places that want to distribute the internet well. For example, in an internet caf- cafe, Mikrotik not only manages the network but also function to record the duration of computer use. This is what is used to determine the fees that user must pay. Meanwhile, in the office space, Mikrotik plays a role in distributing internet while maintaining the security of company device and data. Types of Mikrotik. 1. Mikrotik router. Mikrotik router board is a network router device made by Mikrotik, which consists of several components such as RAM, ROM, and processor. Mikrotik router board is equipped with router OS, so you don't need to install software first and you can use it straight away. Not only that, the price of router board is quite affordable compared to similar devices, starting from just hundreds of thousands of rupiah. 2. Mikrotik router OS. As the suggests, Mikrotik router OS is an operating system that can be used as a network router, good to run on Mikrotik router board or on a computer. You don't need to bother choosing the right computer device to use with RouterOS because the operating system only requires 32 megabytes of RAM and 64 megabytes of storage space. Apart from that, you don't need to install additional software to be able to use RouterOS. 3. Mikrotik CHR. What is Mikrotik CHR? This type of Mikrotik functions like RouterOS, but is installed on a virtual computing device. For example, virtual private server on VPS hosting. By use by using Mikrotik CHR, you can manage your network without having to provide your own equipment. In, Interestingly, Mikrotik CHR does not require a license, so you can use it for free. However, you need to note that the maximum speed of this type of Mikrotik is limited to 1 megabyte per Gbps. Sorry guys. Wait. Mikrotik function. One, an internet gateway. An internet gateway is a device that controls internet access on a network. So being an internet gateway is one of Mikrotik's functions. The use of internet gateway is common in office and school computer network. In the office, the internet gateway aims to limit what websites can be accessed. For example, tools and services that support work. Meanwhile, schools use internet gateway so that students can access the internet only at specific times. And apart from managing internet access, internet gateway can also be used to block certain websites on a network. Its function is the same as the government's positive internet, which prevents access to sites containing negative content. Two, for network authentication. The next function of Mikrotik is to carry out network authentication, usually used in Office. Network authentication requires employees to log in with the username and password provided by the Office IT admin. That's why not just anyone can use the Office computer and access confidential company information. 3. As a Wi-Fi access point. Using an internet connection with Wi-Fi requires an access point to distribute internet signal to various rooms and floors. So, Mikrotik is one of the tools that you can use to create an access point. Mikrotik's function as an access point is not limited to increasing Wi-Fi signal coverage. You can change the settings for several things, such as limiting the duration of Wi-Fi use and billing. Not surprisingly, in several public places that overpaid wireless internet connection, Mikrotik's rule is very much needed. 4. To set firewall. Apart from their functions mentioned above, the use of Mikrotik is to set up firewalls on local computer networks. The goal is to be able to block data traffic from certain IP address. When you access a website, data exchange occurs. So if the website sends data containing virus or malicious scripts, of course, it will have a bad impact. Mikrotik's, Mikrotik's function as a firewall is is to close the flow of data from websites like that. The benefits of using Mikrotik in companies are much greater. With a Office device connected to one network, IT admins are able to secure the network more easily. Advantage of Mikrotik. The price is affordable. 2. Free operating system updates forever. 3. Offers a variety of features. 4. Doesn't consume many resources. 5. Complete documentation is available. 6. Several type options available. 7. Same operation method for each type. 8. Offers a wide range of security protocols. This disadvantage of Mikrotik. 1. Lack of scalability. 2. or customer support help. Wait. Board features use strip USB, V strip support PoA, out on several interfaces, for example, either 2, 3, 4, 5. I only support one PoA output. A. Large memory or has a high license level. 8. CPU with larger capacity. G. Gigabit. L. Like edition. S. SFP port. E. Extension interface. PCLA card. X and where N is the number of CPU cores, X2, X16, X36, etc. R. Mini PCI or mini PCIe slot built in wireless. If the device has built-in wireless, then write the following: 1. Bands 5 GHZ 2 2.4 GHZ 52 dual band 5G HZ and 2.4 GHZ 2 power per chain blank normal 23 dBm H high 23 until 24 dBm HP high power 25 until 26 dBm sorry SHP super high power 26 plus dBm 3 protocols blank only for device that support 802.11a for B or G and only for device that support 802.11. 4. Number of chains MT single chains D dual chains D triple chains. Sample case as example. We will review the detail of the product code on the device. RB RB95 1 UI 2ND is not 951 but 95 1. We read like that. Word features RB is a router board series device. 900 is a series of the device, a series 900. 5 has 5 interface with internet type. 1 has 2 wireless interface on the device. The device has a USB port. E. The device support PoA out 1 port. Wireless feature. 2. Wireless band use 2 GHz and protocol support by the device 802.11n. D. Dual chain. Mm, okay guys, maybe you can give conclusion in commenter in column commenter. You can comment what my mistake, what the solution, and you can give to some conclusion. Okay guys, maybe that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. you guys.